Do you have what it takes to be part of an elite group called Tower Technicians? Here at One Way Wireless Construction, our mentors help you on your way to being an important part of our team. No previous training is expected, but hard work is. Never climbed a tower? We'll teach you. Never climbed higher than maybe the roof of your house? We'll teach you to climb higher.
We get them familiar with the basics here in the warehouse. From there, you move on to the real training, which is in the field.
Our towers span the heights from 100 to 400 feet and take our crews throughout the Twin Cities and across the upper Midwest. Through in-class training, safety lessons, and on-tower training, you will be part of our successful and highly sought-after crew in no time. Your dedication to your job, the project as a whole, and your crew makes you a very important part of our family here at One Way Wireless Construction.